Welcome back, lovelies, to part 2 of our hair care tips and tricks series here on Envilish. I'm Lisa, and today we're diving into 10 more game-changing tips to keep your locks looking fabulous. If you thought part 1 was amazing, just wait until you hear what we have in store for you today. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Protect your hair from the sun. Just like your skin, your hair can suffer from sun damage too. Protect your strands from harmful UV rays by wearing a wide-brimmed hat or using a UV protectant hair product. Not only will this prevent color fading and dryness, but it will also keep your hair looking healthy and vibrant all summer long. Tip 2. Limit heat styling. While hot tools can give you that perfect hairstyle, using them too often can lead to damage and breakage. Try to limit your use of heat styling tools and embrace your natural hair texture instead. From braids to twists to air drying techniques, there are plenty of ways to achieve beautiful hair without subjecting it to excessive heat. Tip 3. Deep condition regularly. Treat your hair to some extra love and hydration by incorporating a deep conditioning treatment into your routine once a week. This will help nourish and repair damaged hair, leaving it soft, silky, and more manageable. Apply the treatment to damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends, and leave it on for the recommended time before rinsing thoroughly. Your hair will thank you for the extra moisture boost. Tip 4. Protect your hair while swimming. Chlorine and salt water can wreak havoc on your hair, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Before taking a dip, wet your hair with fresh water and apply a leave-in conditioner or oil to create a protective barrier. And don't forget to rinse your hair with clean water after swimming to remove any chemicals or salt residue. Tip 5. Choose the right hairbrush. The type of hairbrush you use can make a big difference in the health of your hair. Opt for a brush with soft, natural bristles or a wide tooth comb to minimize breakage and prevent damage. And remember to be gentle when brushing your hair, especially when it's wet, to avoid pulling and tugging on delicate strands. Tip 6. Avoid tight hairstyles. While sleek ponytails and tight buns may look chic, it can actually cause stress and damage to your hair follicles. Opt for looser hairstyles that don't put too much tension on your strand. And if you do wear your hair up, be sure to switch up your style regularly to give your hair a break. Tip 7. Use a silk scarf or pillowcase. In addition to a silk pillowcase, consider wrapping your hair in a silk scarf or bonnet before bed. This helps reduce friction and prevent breakage, keeping your hair looking smooth and shiny. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in the health of your hair over time. Tip 8. Protect your hair from pollution. Pollution can take a toll on your hair, leaving it dull, dry, and prone to damage. Protect your locks from environmental aggressors by using a protective hair serum or spray with antioxidant properties. This will help shield your hair from pollution particles and free radicals, keeping it healthy and vibrant. Tip 9. Avoid overprocessing your hair. Coloring, bleaching, and chemical treatments can all cause damage to your hair if done too frequently or improperly. If you're a fan of changing up your hair color or texture, be sure to give your hair plenty of time to recover between treatments. And always consult with a professional stylist to ensure that your hair stays healthy and strong. Tip 10. Manage stress levels. Believe it or not, stress can have a big impact on the health of your hair. High stress levels can lead to hair loss, breakage, and even changes in hair texture. Take time to prioritize self-care and manage your stress levels through activities like exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Your hair will thank you for it. And there you have it, beauties. 10 more hair care tips and tricks to keep your locks looking absolutely stunning. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you'll incorporate them into your hair care routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, take care and